Welcome students. Let us start our next section of our lectures on the same topic, that is IO redirection and piping, what we are discussing. So here let us go to the next slide, some more comments or what we are discussing about the piping, that is we are discussing about the piping. So let us first consider the comment who verticals are short hyphen log file and then right arrow new file. So here actually what is happening, the output from who, that is the list of users who are currently logged in. So that particular thing will be take the output and becomes the standard input to sort. So whatever output will come from who, that will become the standard input to sort. Meanwhile, sort opens the file log file. So sort opens the file log file. The contents of this file are sorted together with the output of who represented by the hyphen. We can say that output of who represented by the hyphen, and the sorted output is redirected to the file new file. So here we can see that sorted file, that is new file, that is giving the output. And by now again we know that redirection routes the output to files while pipes route the output to the other program. So here is an important thing what we have to notice, that redirection routes the output to files. That means any output is being redirected to the files by the redirection. But what happens in case of pipes? So pipe actually redirect the output to other programs. So now what will happen if you want to do both? So Unix offers the TW T command, that you can see in the second line of the command, T command, TWT command, to achieve this purpose. It reads the standard input and sends it on to the standard output. It also redirects a copy of what it has read into the file, if any, of your choice. For example, who vertical slash tw space log file vertical slash sort. So here the output of who, what the output comes from who, becomes the standard input of TWT. Now T now sends one copy of the input to sort through one pipeline, whereas the other copy is stored in a file called log file. So here this is an example how can we use pipe to send the output to other programs. Again you consider the next command here, last command in this slide, that is who vertical slash twt then space log file space then new log file space vertical slash space sort. So Why you are using this command? Actually, to store the output of foo in two files and still manage to send one copy to sort. So here we are we want to store the output of foo in two different files and still manage to send one copy to sort. And let us test this further. So in this way we can use this type of commands for using of pipes. Now let us move to the next slide. So that is again the cat command, cat file1 file2. So here it is cat file1 space file2 vertical slash twt space hyphen a space complete file vertical slash more. So in this pipeline, the output of cat content of the files file1 and file2 are appended to the existing contents of the file complete file, and another copy of output of cat is sent to more for displaying on the screen. So here you can see this, the output of cat are appended to the existing content what are already existing there in the file complete file. Another copy of output of cat is sent to more for displaying on the screen. Next come to the second command, that is cat my file right arrow space new file space 2 right arrow error file. So in the my file if the my file exists, then the contents of that file would be copied into new file. So this is the more or less job of this type of comments, and how can we use pipes. Let's go to the next slide, that what are the job of construct pipelines. So different job of construct pipelines are there, like output of who should be displayed on the screen with value of total number of users. That means the output of who that should be displayed on the screen with the value number of users who have logged in displayed at the bottom of the list. Next one job we can say, that is output of ls should be displayed on the screen, and from this output the lines containing the word particular anyone, for example poem, so should be counted, and the count should be stored in a file file1. So this is another example of job. Suppose another one job can be contents of file1 and file2 both should be displayed on the screen, and this output should be appended to the file, another one file, that is suppose known as file3. So in this way different jobs are there for piping, and these are some important jobs of piping. And one more thing you have to notice, that all file present in a directory, suppose dir1, suppose the name of the directory is dir1, should be deleted. So any error if it occurs while carrying out this operation should be stored in a file error log. So there is a another one file that will be error log. So in this way different type of use of piping we can perform. So thank you for this session, and we will continue further on our further sessions.